Okay, so I'm gonna show how I curl my mustache. I take a vintage metal roller that I've gotten in flea markets. I have different sizes. This seems like the right size, and I heat it up with the lighter. This is something you could actually try at home. And you have to be really careful not to scald yourself in the lip because it's hot. And then you grab your mustache and you kind of smooth it some and curl it more before you do. See the little difference. Before you go on with the mustache wax. Okay, so I get the Clubman wax. I like this one because it comes in colors. And this is the chestnut. And I feel like I'm doing my eyebrows. But I'm really doing my mustache. I do it in the train, in the subway, because I like what I'm like. So this is it, handlebar mustache. Thank you. Oh.
Start whenever.